How to disable or stop an app in Realme Narzo50A. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to disable or stop an app in Realme Narzo50A. Without further ado, let's get started. Launch settings application on your device. And once here, tap on apps. Select app management. Here are the list of applications available on your device. Tap search bar and type in any application name which you want to disable or stop. For example, let's tap on Android Accessibility Suite. Here you can easily see the disable button at top right corner. Tap disable and tap on disable app in order to confirm. If you disable this app, it will be closed and removed from the home screen and your system, and other apps may no longer function as intended. So that is how we disable or stop an app in an Realme Narzo 50A phone. Without I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like, share and comment.